Okay, welcome to another Shop Talk. It's been a while. I've been really busy actually. I've filmed everything I've made. I have filmed. Certainly over the next few weeks I'll be editing and getting some more videos up. I haven't really had time to do any Shop Talk or Tech Talk. I'll just show you what we're up to at the moment. There's been quite a few bits going on in the shop. So this is a really big oak sliding door, 1.6 meters by about 1.2. Really big slab. Underside you see there's some resin fills going on. It's really nice. Massive, just one big join on that. There's another table under here, similar colour again, English chestnut. This is absolutely killer. Delivering this at the weekend with the lovely sort of copper bronze base that my son makes, and we do a special paint job on, or oil job as you like it. Loads going on in here, so kind of I feel a bit sorry. My son's had a week off. He's a fabricator and he's had some really challenging jobs with me. So this was Mark 1. It worked quite well, but I felt there wasn't enough liquid under the table. I sort of did some calculations on these pipes as 10 row. I'm going to double it. And what he's done, painstakingly, cut this out. So it's a tight fit there. And this can actually touch my sheet of aluminium. And we're going to double up all the pipes today. So we're going to have something like 25, what's that? 25 times 3, 75 meters. Of 15 mil pipe plus the end, so it will come out to about 80 meters of liquid, and I think that's going to be more efficient for the cooler. Once this table is completed and I'm happy with it, I'll be making the plans, doing a little video, and the plans will be available for a small fee on Etsy just to help the channel if you're interested in making a liquid cooled table. Outside there's quite a lot going on. There's a lot of oak trees coming that I've had. Oh, this is an exciting new paint job that I'm experimenting with. Another new paint job. This one is actually going to be an outdoor table, which I've been toying with the idea for a long time, this live slab outdoor table. And that's kind of the prototype paint job. I've sent that away to powder coaters, and it's had a lacquer. So that should be pretty good for the outside. So I'm quite excited about that. I've got another table. I'll show you a picture on the screen of the slabs. This is going to Ireland. That's the next job. All of the wood's in the kiln. Let's have a quick look in there for that. This is all sycamore. All of this is sycamore. The bottom two are the ones that go into Ireland. They're doing pretty well, drying nice and slowly. I did have a few questions about the dehumidifier. I'm just using a commercial dehumidifier, lots of fans. I'm not really worried about the flow. You see all these complicated flows. I'm just getting loads of air moving around and just taking the humidity away. I'm not using too much heat. I found if you use too much heat, you can get case hardening. So it's really mild in there, but just loads of dehumidifying going on. So over here, it's a bit of a mess. This is my new sort of drying shed. And next to it is a new area. I'll just show you some clips. We've been moving all the old household junk that I had. We're just putting in some type 1, leveling it off. Going to be lots and lots of the stacks of wood. This needs to be, there's another 3 of those at the yard, this big oak, loads more like that sycamore and stuff. Going to get this all leveled out, get some concrete blocks, going to put it all over there to be stored. And the plan is eventually, not as big as that, to have a lower building all the way along and have a sawmill in there. I'm not going to do any major sawmilling. I've got a great relationship with my local sawmill and they do the big stuff, but it'd just be handy for some of the smaller logs that I got given. Also breaking stuff up and, you know, resawing slabs. If I've got a 100 mil slab and I want a 20 mil off of it just for some laminating or some panels, it'd be handy to have a nice neat saw. So at some point, maybe next summer, once that's all settled and level, I might get a little sawmill in there. So that's that. You may know or may not know that actually I sell this system. I use it for everything these days. I can sell everything with the Take 1 2, even the CMT router bits now and the extension collet. So there's a contact form in this post. If you're interested, just click it and then I'll fill in, give you a quote. That's the whole router system, any size. that you like. Bigger, the more expensive, obviously, and the postage. There is a really exciting job coming up now. This is all English oak, which I've bought in. It's absolutely epic, and it's going to be really, really interesting. There'll be some resin, there's going to be some nice joinery. So I can't tell exactly what it is now, but it's coming soon, and I will be videoing it all, and you'll follow every step of the way. This is some, while I'm here, this is some of the sycamore that's in the kiln. This is the other slab of the sycamore that's in the kiln. Really wonderful. I can't wait to start on that next week. It looks amazing when you oil it. Okay, there's the sea of copper, and Will has managed to cut all of that profile, all those cuts. It's the old return, so they're all in use. Goes through all of that. I think I worked it out. It's just around about 80 meters of copper.